Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Sorry, it's going to be a little shaky because I'm holding it with my hand. But so I'm at my son's in Portland, Oregon, and I'm visiting him for a month. So whatever videos I make will be from here until January sometime. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to start off with this video. And this is going to be my entry video into Adam's naked model group build over at SoDak Model Cars. And this is the kit that I'm going to be using. So let me see here. I guess I'll use the floor because I don't have a desk in here or anything. Let me get you turned around and we'll take a quick look at this kit and see what's in it. Hold on just 1 second. All right, welcome back. So I decided not to use the floor. I'll just use my lap. So as you can see, the kit's brand new. It's a 57 Chevy. It's a curbside. And this is the Max. The Snap Tight Max kit. So it's not a lot of parts. So black body, red interior. There's a chrome tree for the wheels, bumpers, some more interior parts, and then it's got a pretty cool looking. This is the decal sheet. Pretty cool decal sheet. So we'll see how much of this I use. I have bare metal foil that I'm planning to use on it, at least on the body. I haven't even opened it yet. And the chassis is black. So I'm gonna do this kit, and I have. Sorry. Oh. Can't even get to them. I have these markers, so I might use 1 or 2 markers on the chassis just to like detail the oil pan and maybe the exhaust, just to put a little bit of color on the bottom. But yeah, that's where I'm at with that. So Revell 57 Chevy Snap Tight Max. This is a quick video. not making long videos while I'm here, but yeah, that's what I'll be building. This is a great. It's a great. Hang on. Let me flip it around. Flip it around. No, it won't turn around. What's going on? Okay, hold on. Technology I'm not good with. Well, I am, but I'm not. Anyway, I'm not a pro with it. So yeah, that's the build I'm going to do. This is the 3rd year of this group build, and I've been able to participate in all 3. Well, I will participate in all 3 after I build this 57 Chevy. So I hope everybody's having a good time. I know the Midwest over. Well, actually, not even the Midwest, from the Rockies, Colorado on over, Montana. Everybody's getting snow and sleet and rain and cold weather. My wife is dealing with some minus, with the wind, minus 28 degrees over in South Dakota. So I'm glad to be here because I think it's normally, well, we've been running in the 50s during the daytime. And at night, maybe 45 is a low, 42 is a low. It's nothing compared to South Dakota, and it's warm here. It's rain. There's rain outside, obviously, but that's just a winter thing here. There's rain. Anyway, I'm going to be doing a couple more videos, so hopefully everybody is having a good time. Take care of your families. Take care of yourselves. Get some bench time in. And we'll see you in the next video.